Bryant here at Bryant Brothers Automotive and Performance. I just wanted to come to you and show you this 2021 Camaro that we just finished up with. This is a SS car. It does have 6,500 miles on it, so it's essentially a brand new car. But we did the P1 SC Procharger kit. This car right here should hopefully make around the 550 horsepower mark. Stock intake, stock throttle body, stock fuel system. You know, they do have the upgrades to the P1X all the way up to the D1 to the D1X. But as you know, these cars with the fuel systems are kind of funny about how much power they can hold, especially when you swap to 85. This car right here is actually 93 only, so we're going to see how much we can make on it, you know, doing 93 octane, and then hopefully in the future we can convert it to 85 and see what we can get. But stay tuned for the numbers. We'll be back with you shortly.